No, your eyes do not deceive you. I am indeed back, and here to post a video that's been sitting in my draft since March about the new asterisk-ish Barbie Basics line. A line of made-to-move Barbies with a new type of neck peg that makes the head removal process easier, and they come in these cute little black dresses. If you want to see that new neck peg and check out the dolls with me, albeit a few months late, then you are in the right place. We will take a look at the neck pegs in a bit, but first, the packaging. Here are all 5 models in a basic, see what I did there? A basic black box with a doll image and model number on the side, plus a photo of this wave's dolls that goes from the back of the box to the side. There's a little blurb about the line on the back as well, and on the top of the packaging it shows the new neck peg. Each doll comes with a certificate of authenticity. This paper feels thicker and heavier than the usual certificate, plus a doll stand. The dolls can't stand alone, so this is a necessity for displaying the dolls. Time to unbox! We will start with model number 1. A shocking place to begin, I know. She's on an original made-to-move body and has the kit face sculpt that we've seen before on Barbie Looks number 3. Her face paint is both matte and smooth, though I'm not such a fan of the bubblegum pink lip that she has. She has brown hair and a lob, aka a long bob, but it is absolutely gelled to death, and it looks nothing like the promo pictures that I saw before. I'm definitely going to wash and restyle it. Each Barbie Basics doll also comes with removable earrings, which I know my Froggy stuff is so happy about. And number 1s are a gold half circle. All of the Barbie Basics come with a little black dress, and hers is a t-shirt dress that can be styled off the shoulder or on. I do hate to say it, but it kind of looks like a potato sack, and it's definitely my least favorite dress from this weight. Here's the back. You can see that it velcros. And number 1 wears black booties with a thin high heel that is very chic. Now, what all of us made-to-move fanatics want to know, what is number 1's skin tone? Well, it's one that we've already seen, and there are several original bodies already in this skin tone. It is the same skin tone as the floral bun yoga made-to-move, the brunette soccer player, and the Target exclusive service dog made-to-move doll, as well as all these dolls pictured here. Now, for the other thing I'm dying to know about, let's see how easy the new neck peg makes doll head removal. Supposedly you can just pop the head off, no hot water necessary. And here you can see the neck peg. It just goes straight up and down. There are none of the usual little hooks that keep the head on. Let's see how easy it is to put the head back on. Okay, not bad. Although the head does feel a little floppy. I don't know if I didn't put it on securely enough. I do wonder if these neck pegs will get too loose over time without the added pegs. If you swap the doll heads too often, I guess time will tell. My final thoughts on model number 1 is that she has so much potential, but she isn't picture perfect right out of the box. Her hair really needs some TLC, and I'm considering repainting her lips in a more neutral color. Still, I love to see the kit face mold, and despite the drawbacks, she's a keeper for me. Next up, the lovely model number 2. She also is on an original body and has the Carl face mold. I don't know why, but the Carl face mold doesn't speak to me that much, even though she is a gorgeous doll with very natural makeup and beautiful blue-gray eyes. Her platinum blonde hair is so blonde that it's almost white or silver, and it's pulled into a side ponytail. I love that they've already styled her hair for me. She has removable earrings as well, and hers are chunky silver hoops. All of the dolls also have a protective barrier of plastic between the earrings and the doll head, so I hope that that doesn't mean that the earrings will stain if I take it off. Number two's little black dress is a little risque, but I love it. I love the mock turtleneck and the length of the dress, plus the side cutouts, which, surprise, are not cutouts. The top and skirt are actually not connected in the back, which makes me love this dress even more than when I saw only the front. Both the top and the skirt do have separate Velcros. Now, a lot of these Barbie Basics dolls are wearing Barbie Looks models' shoe molds, and number two gets to wear these high heel gladiator sandals that we first saw on Looks model number 7. Now, for Barbie Basics number 2, she has the skin tone that's most common on Millie Made to Move Barbies, and it matches the blue marbled pants Yoga Made to Move, the tall volleyball player, and the pink pants Yoga Made to Move, all of whom are Millie's. That means that number 2 also matches all of these dolls pictured here. Kind of wish that she had a different body type in the skin tone because we do have lots of original body types already with this skin. I have to say, I wasn't as excited about Barbie Basics number 2 from her promo pictures as I was for other dolls of this line, but now that she's in my hands, she's working her magic on me, and I like her a lot. Our next beauty is Barbie Basics number 3, and I am obsessed. She is my hands down favorite of this wave. First of all, she's on a tall body. Yes, we don't have that many tall Made to Move dolls. And she has the Claudette face mold. There's nothing basic at all about this doll. She has burgundy lips and curly burgundy hair that's pulled into a low ponytail. It's covered in a hairnet to keep the curls in good shape in the box, so you have to take that off. Actually, you don't have to take it off, but I took it off. Also, I love her dangly silver earrings. They're very distinct from the other girls in this wave. Moving on to her dress, it's one of my favorites, if not my favorite, I'm not sure yet. The A-line shape is so flattering, and I love the high neckline. All of the dolls' dresses are made of the same stretchy material, and they're meant to fit all Barbie body types with the give in the fabric, and I think this is one of the rare dresses that actually would look good on all the different body types. Like the other dresses, hers Velcros in the back. And do I see a new shoe mold? If it's not a new shoe mold, it's at least one that I don't already have in my collection. She's wearing tall boots with a good thick heel. I love how these boots are a celebration of her tallness and make this doll even taller. Now, for her skin tone. In exciting news, number 3 is the first and only doll of this wave to have a new skin tone body type combination. While she has the same skin tone as the floral ponytail Yoga Made to Move, she is the first tall Barbie in this skin tone family. Here you can see the other dolls who share this skin tone. If you couldn't tell by how many times I said love while talking about this doll, I love her. Everything about her is a home run. They hit it straight out of the park, and she is simply stunning. There's not one thing I would change about her. Moving on to Barbie Basics number 4. She is our first petite Made to Move of this wave, and she has the Leah/Kayla face mold. Now, I did have to order this doll twice. The first one I got had strangely printed eyes, and I still kind of feel that this doll right here, that her eyes aren't quite right, but it's not so noticeable, so it may just be me. She has red hair with a cinder part and the front pulled back. You can see that the ends of her hair curl some, though mine are a little messy from the box. She has the smallest earrings out of the Barbie Basics dolls, but I like their understated subtlety. She also has some very pretty dress, despite its simplicity. This maxi dress is a little loose on her, but the high slit keeps the fabric from overwhelming her frame. It also velcros in the back, and I do wonder how it would look on other body types. Her open-toed wedge shoes are also molds from the Barbie Looks line. I believe we saw these on Barbie Looks number 14. I do appreciate how all the dolls have black shoes because black goes with so many outfits. Now, for Barbie Basic number 4 skin tone. We do already have a made to move doll with this body type and skin tone combination, the Christy Yamaguchi Barbie, although Barbie Basics number 4 is less expensive than her. She also matches the purple top Yoga Made to Move skin tone and the curvy floral Yoga Made to Move skin tone. This skin tone is close to, but not quite as fair as the tennis player Made to Move doll's skin tone. The difference between these two skin tones is slight, and personally, I think dolls who match one skin tone will work on the other skin tone, but the difference is there. So even though the tennis player is grouped with the other dolls pictured here, both she and Looks Model number 6 are a bit lighter than Barbie Basics number 4 and the rest of the dolls. Okay, Barbie Basics number 4. You are really growing on me. I love her red hair, and I am a sucker for petites. So please, in the comments, just tell me that her eyes are okay, and I'm just seeing things. Last up, we have Barbie Basics number 5. She has a curvy body and the Heidi face mold. To me, her eye makeup, especially the lashes with her neutral lip, give a 60s mod feel. You know, that iconic picture of Twiggy. Sometimes I'm not sure how I feel about the Heidi face mold, but this doll looks good with it. Plus, brown hair and a ponytail? Get out of here. She reminds me a little of Ariana Grande with those hoop earrings and the ponytail. Does anyone else see that? Her dress is another one of my favorites, with the mini length and the bodycon shape, plus the peekaboo at the neckline. It, surprise, surprise, velcros in the back. I do have some doubts if it will look good on other body types than a curvy, since it won't be as form-fitting, but it looks really good on her. She has cute shoes too that are open-toed, and we've previously seen them on Looks Model number 24. Skin tone wise, Barbie Basics number 5 has a pretty common body type skin tone combination that we've seen before on the purple Marble Pants Yoga Made to Move and the Curvy Dancer. This is the same skin tone as the Green Pants Yoga Made to Move and the Tall Basketball Player, as well as these dolls here. Barbie Basics number 5 is one of my favorites of this wave. She just has so much personality and seems to me to be a timeless beauty. There's not one thing I would change about her, and she wraps up the line perfectly. My, what a time to be a Barbie collector. Not only do we get to see the return of the Barbie Basics line, but this line has made to move dolls that debut a new neck peg designed to make head swapping easier. This suggests to me that the line was created with adult Barbie collectors and customizers in mind. I also love this line's basic little black dresses and shoes. Fashions are simple and versatile, but not boring. The only drawback for this line is more of an unknown, and that unknown is the longevity of the new neck pegs. I just wonder if taking the heads off repeatedly will cause the neck joint to become too wobbly. Of course, this is already an issue if you do too many head swaps on the older style of neck pegs, so maybe it won't be any more of a problem than typically, unless, of course, the ease of removal will lead to more head swapping and thus the neck peg becoming wobbly more quickly. I guess time will tell with that concern, and the solution is just to not swap the doll's head too many times. I've had these dolls for a couple months now, and I haven't been swapping them, just kept the original heads on, so I haven't really been able to test this concern. All in all, I am very excited about this line, and I hope that it continues. My favorite doll is definitely number 3. Which one is yours? Thank you so much for watching and sticking with me after all this time, and I'll catch you in the next one.